If you've been trying to figure out where to start investing, this video will give you the complete answer. But first, I need to show you the mistake that costs most beginners over $100,000 in long-term wealth. It's not picking the wrong stock, it's doing steps 2, 3, and 4 before you've done step 1. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete, specific roadmap with exact accounts, exact funds, and exact dollar amounts. Let's get into it. Most beginners invest before eliminating high-interest debt and building an emergency fund, investing at 10% while carrying 22% credit card debt, bar net 12% per year. A $5,000 credit card balance at 22% costs $100 per year. The same $5,000 invested at 10% earns about $500. A net loss of $600. This is the mistake. Sequence matters. Fix the order, and you'll keep more growth. Avoid the 12% trap. Any debt above 7 to 8% should be eliminated before you start investing. That includes credit cards at 18 to 29% and many personal loans at 10 to 20%. Low-interest debts, mortgages at 3 to 6% and student loans under 6% can usually stay and be paid normally. Use the avalanche method. Pay minimums on everything, then apply extra money to the highest rate debt first. This approach is mathematically optimal and produces the fastest interest savings. Eliminating high-rate debt often beats the market every year. It's effectively a risk-free, after-tax return when you pay off high-interest debt. You're winning by removing a 22% drag on your returns. Your emergency fund should cover essential expenses, rent, food, utilities, transportation, and minimum debt payments. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, usually between $8,000 and $20,000. Keep that cash in a high-yield savings account, Marcus, Ally, or Discover. Around 4 to 5% APY right now. The key is liquidity and accessibility. Your emergency fund must be ready when you need it. This fund isn't for growth, it's for stability. Markets can drop when you most need cash. In short, 3 to 6 months, easy access, stored in a HISA, prioritize safety over returns. A Roth IRA is funded with after-tax dollars. Its growth is completely tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Contribution limits for 2026 are $7,000 per year, $8,000 if you're over 50. Income phase-outs begin around $150,000 for singles and $236,000 for married couples. You can open a Roth IRA online in about 10 minutes. Create the account, link your bank, and fund it. Start with $1,000 if you can. When choosing investments, keep fees low and favor broad diversification. One low-cost index fund often covers both. Brokers like Fidelity and Vanguard offer zero-fee Roth IRAs and low-cost index funds. Remember, Roths make all gains tax-free in retirement. Start now with what you can and set up automatic monthly contributions later to remove emotion and stay consistent. A Roth IRA is simple, tax-free and powerful. Open one, fund it, buy a low-cost S&P 500 fund, and let compounding work. VOO is Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. It tracks the 500 largest U.S. companies. Historically, the S&P averages about 10% per year since 1957. Low costs matter. VOO's expense ratio is essentially 0.03%. Those low fees compound into much larger savings over decades. Don't try to pick individual winners. 92% of active managers underperform the S&P over long periods. Own the market instead. Time in the market beats timing the market. Start now and stay invested. Waiting costs you more than short-term drops. If you invest $500 a month into VOO at historical returns, in 30 years that can exceed $1 million. Automate your purchases. It removes emotion. Consistency wins over trying to outguess the market. VOO gives you instant ownership of 500 large companies, one investment for broad U.S. market exposure. At $500 per month, starting at $25 grows to about $3,127,000 by 65, starting at $35 about $1,226,000, starting at $45 about $415,000. Same monthly investment produces massively different outcomes depending on your starting age. Rule of 72, divide 72 by your annual return. At 10%, your money doubles roughly every 7.2 years. VOO pays quarterly dividends. Always reinvest dividends to accelerate compounding. Time plus consistency equals scale. Small, regular contributions grow enormously over decades. Here's your exact action plan. This week, List every debt, identify anything above 8% interest, and make a plan to eliminate it. Open a high-yield savings account and start your emergency fund, even $50 matters. Next month, open your Roth IRA at Fidelity. It takes 10 minutes. Buy VOO. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Then, do nothing. Let compounding work. The biggest mistake you can make now is waiting for more information. You have everything you need. Subscribe to Wealthcode for weekly videos that make the next step even clearer. And drop a comment with your first investment goal. Let's build real wealth in 2026.